In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have a direct link between your tasks and your chats, so updates, assignments, and conversations stay in sync without switching tabs. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into your workspace. Give the page a moment to load so you're on the main home view. From here, look for the small waffle or grid icon in the sidebar. It's the launcher that opens up ClickUp's quick tools and directories. Click that icon to expand the menu. In the menu that appears, choose Apps. This takes you to ClickUp's app directory, where you can connect integrations that extend what your workspace can do. The directory may show featured apps at the top, so don't worry if you don't see what you need right away. Next, scroll through the list and look for Microsoft Teams. If your directory is long, use the search bar at the top and type Teams to jump straight to it. You're looking for the official Microsoft Teams integration card. When you find it, click Microsoft Teams to open the app's details page. On this page, you can review a short description of what the integration does, usually things like sending task notifications to Teams and letting you interact with ClickUp tasks directly from your channels. Before connecting, make sure you're in the correct ClickUp workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. When you're ready, click Connect. A sign-in window will appear asking you to authorize the connection to your Microsoft account. Follow the prompts to sign in and accept the requested permissions. If your organization uses multiple Microsoft tenants or has admin approvals in place, pick the correct tenant and, if necessary, request approval from your IT admin. When authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to ClickUp and should see confirmation that the integration is connected. From here, your ClickUp workspace and Microsoft Teams are linked. If you don't see activity flowing right away, give it a minute, then refresh ClickUp. It can also help to restart the Teams desktop app or sign out and back in to ensure your new connection is recognized. If the Connect button was unavailable earlier, confirm you have permission to add apps in both ClickUp and Microsoft 365, temporarily disable any pop-up blockers, and try again. That's it. The integration is live. You've opened ClickUp, launched the apps directory, found Microsoft Teams, clicked it, and connected the two platforms. Enjoy smoother collaboration with tasks and updates meeting you where your conversations already happen.